our company is Riwi International. Okay? Yan. So, our company is Riwi International. It's been in the market for 17 long years. But alam nyo ba that we have only one single product, which is yung pag-uusapan natin tonight, which is the oral stem cell. And Riwi, it is a research and development company, although we have only one single product, but we keep on innovating, upgrading. When it was launched, year 2008, from the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, now we are into seventh edition. So, Riway, it's been in the market for 17 years and we have more than 14 countries worldwide ang meron na Riway offices in the world. So, here in the Philippines, we are 9 years, going 10 years na next year, and we have 6 offices. One of it is in Manila, which is in MOA 5 Ecom, MOA Complex in Pasay City. That is our main office. Another one is in Cebu. We have also in Iloilo. We have also in Davao, Cagayan de Oro. And yung newest office na na-open was last year, April 2024, here in Pampanga. It is in Skytech, Mabalacat, Pampanga. So, yun yung 6 offices natin here in the country, Philippines. Alright? Now, let's take a look at this. So, this report came from World Health Organization. This talks about top 10 killer diseases. Alright, so ang sinasabi lang ng World Health Organization that these 10 diseases causes untimely death or unnecessary death to our population. And the number one reason ba't tayo nagkakasakit, ba't tayo nagkakaroon ng heart disease, ba't tayo na-stroke, ba't tayo nagkakaroon ng diabetes, respiratory infections, and so, number one reason talaga is aging population. Now, dun sa kayang mag-type, can you type sa chat box natin, aging? Yan. Yan daw po yung reason bakit po tayo nagkakaroon ng illnesses. Ayan. Thank you so much for all your responses. So, the second reason is wrong diet. Third is stress, inevitable stress. And lastly, pollution. So going back to the reason, number one reason why we have those diseases is aging population. Ibig sabihin, tumatanda. Yun, tumatanda yung ating population or we are aging, of course. And malinaw naman sa atin na wala namang tumatanda. Meron na po ba kayong nabalitaan na tumanda na habang tumatanda is lumalakas? Meron ba? Wala, 'di ba? Alright. So, ngayon, they discovered, actually, na-discover ang stem cell na naging recent medical science breakthrough. So, the only safest way to reverse the aging process of our body is through stem cell therapy, which is the stem cell. No? This is a stem cell injection pa before. Now, as you can see on the screen, ang sinasabi lang dito that our body is made up of cell. Our body, the most basic form of all living things, our body from head to toe, even our organs, is made up of cell, stem cell, and it has unlimited possibilities of treatment boundaries and close to miraculous abilities. As you can see on the screen, before a baby is born, galing po siya sa one single stem cell. Okay, when the sperm and ovum unites, doon po nagki-create, yung unang stem cell natin, which is the mother stem cell, and then it duplicated, the duplication process, and then nagkaroon ng blastocyst, and then it developed into more than 300 different types of stem cells na yan yung intestine, liver, nerves, lungs, heart, brains, and any part of our body na makita natin is made up of stem cell. So the question is, if our body is made up of stem cell, made up of cell, ano yung ginagamit natin to repair itself? Tama ba? For example, your dining table is made of wood. Kapag nasira yan, 'di ba? So same material din yung gagamitin mo, wood din, 'di ba? Para maibalik natin to its original form. Ganon din po pala dapat yung katawan natin. Our body must use also stem cell to repair itself. Yes, our body has the capacity to repair itself. Kaya lang, when we age, doon na nagkakaroon ng depletion, no? Kokonti na yung napoproduce na stem cell sa katawan natin. Kasi nung baby tayo, we have 100 stem cells. Pero pag nag-40s, 50s, 60s na tayo, wala na, no? 5 or 10% na lang yung natitira. Kaya yung recovery natin towards sickness, any operation, and so medyo mabagal. Now, kami lang ba or Riway lang ba? No, baka sabihin nyo, ako sinasabi mo lang yan, Miss Van, because you are advocating Riway or you are advocating stem cell. Now, let's take a look on the collated mga magazines and newspapers that talks about the miracle of stem cell. As you can see on the screen, there are a lot. And kung magsa-search ka online, ang dami mong makikitang good news, no, good thing, um, positive side about stem cell and even negative, no? Meron ding negative actually. But what struck me most dun sa screen na nakikita nyo ngayon, ang sinasabi rito, yung 150, nakikita nyo ba yon? 150. Ibig sabihin nito, 100-year-old in a body of 50. So this man is already 100 years old, but he looks like 50 years old. Kasi yun nga yung effect, no? Ultimate result or ultimate side effect if you are taking stem cell therapy or you are doing stem cell therapy in your body. Reverse aging process. Kumbaga, um, your body, no, mag-reverse aging yung katawan mo from the inside to outside. So yung pagbata ng muka mo, pagbata ng skin mo, no, plus points na lang yon. The most important thing is nag-reverse aging, naging mas younger, 5 to 10 years younger yung heart mo, 5 to 10 years younger yung kidneys mo, yung brains mo, and so and so. So that is the power of stem cell therapy na naging unstoppable medical science trend and also naging greatest revolution din of the medicine emerge. Alright? So since maganda ang stem cell, how can we avail it? Ito yung mga methods, but most of it are injectable. So we have placenta injection in Switzerland, no, that will cost you million. Sobrang mahal po talaga dyan. Kaya nga, I would agree if you will tell me, Miss Van, ang stem cell pala pang mayaman lang. Yes. No, before, no, we have also yung tinatawag na stem cell transplant, which is, it is a procedure na ginagawa ng mga medical doctors to a patient na kailangan ng stem cell transplant. Kumbaga, yung kailangan, kumbaga, if what part of our body that needs that stem cell, doon nila directly it's a transplant or inject, parang ganyan. But the process is really expensive and painful. No, you will need millions pa din. Now we have na very modern to have the stem cell is the cord blood banking. Ano naman yun? Whenever a mother, a woman, tayong mga babae, pag nanganak tayo, we have the option, no? Meron tayong option na ipabangko. Ipabangko yung stem cell na yon so that in the event that in the whole family, magkaroon ng diagnosis and kailangan ng stem cell, meron ka nang naka-reserve na stem cell. That is the cord blood banking. Pero there is a mischance and time limit here kasi I think maximum 20 years lang, no, yung effectivity nung product, nung stem cell na ipinabangko mo. Pag kasi nanganak tayo, yung stem cell doon sa umbilical cord, yung blood, actually yung blood doon, yun yung kinukuha, hina-harvest, no? Pagkapanganak. And then, ipapapreserve yan into facility. So, you will pay, no? Parang, depende sa plan. Para siyang term insurance eh. So, pag hindi mo siya nagamit within 20 years, expire na. So, yung binayad mo, wala na din, no? So, para yan sa mga maraming extra. Okay? Pero kilala ko na nagpa-cord blood are sila Jolina Magdangal, Christine Babaw, no, even I think Pauline Luna nagpa-cord blood banking. And sa ibang bansa, ginagawa yan. Okay? Ginagawa yan nila. We have also placenta injection. Sa Beauty Salon, lagi kong sinasabi nga that this is really the unsafe place that we can have the benefit, or we can have the stem cell kasi there is a non-professional and safety concern. So we are not aware kung ano yung itutusok sa atin na stem cell, kung saan ba kinuha yan. And yung gagawa sa atin, are they really licensed to do it? Okay, so be careful on that. We have also adult stem cells banking, no? Parang same siya with the cord blood, pero adult ka na nung nagpabangko ka ng stem cell. So, I think hanggang age 24, 25 pwedeng magpabangko. Pero it's really expensive. Sobrang mahal niyan. Million din yung kailangan mo. And of course, too late kasi adult na yung stem cell mo. Now, if you will ask me, Miss Van, wala bang free? 'Di ba? Ang mamahal naman yan, million. So, meron namang way. So you just need to maintain a healthy lifestyle. So let's define ano ba yung healthy lifestyle. Kailangan daw dito sa picture nag-exercise every day, at least 30 minutes. Check ba, nagagawa ba natin yan? Pwede for some, no? Nagagawa natin yan. Pangalawa is we take food supplement. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng nutrients na kailangan natin is nakukuha natin 100% sa mga kinakain. Mostly, 'di ba, kailangan mo ng sobrang daming kainin. Hindi katulad ng food supplement, concentrated na yung kailangan mong vitamins, nandun na siya, tama ba? Pero of course, maganda pa rin pag natural naman talaga. Alright? And then, pangatlo naman, ang nakita nyo rito, nakasmile lang daw. Ibig sabihin, pag daw hindi stress yung body natin, no? Hindi stress yung katawan natin, mas maraming napoproduce na stem cell, na healthy stem cell yung katawan natin. But, meron ba rito hindi na-stress? Okay? Hindi daw dapat na-stress, no? Ayan. So, and yung kinakain natin are all organic. Ibig sabihin, ikaw yung nagtanim, ikaw yung nag-harvest from farm to table. Walang preservatives, no? Walang pesticides. Parang ang hirap, no, kumain ng organic food ngayon, no? Sobrang mahal na. At the same time, you need very time consuming in times of preparation kasi we are living in a fast-paced world, sobrang mabilisan, no? So the question is there any convenient, effective, and much more affordable way? All right? So that is the question, and that is yung concern na inaddress ng Riwe International. This is the oral capsule modern technology. Alright? So, sinabi siyang oral, no? Oral, ibig sabihin yung stem cell is nakalagay siya sa capsule. Modern technology. There is a technology behind this food supplement. So, I'll tell you, ladies and gentlemen, that our product, oral stem cell, it is not the usual food supplement that you can see in the market na pinato yung dahon, nilagay sa capsule, food supplement na in-extract yung juice, no? Nilagay sa lalagyan, food supplement na. So, hindi po ganun yung product natin. There is a technology behind it, and this is a fusion, no? It is a combination of Chinese medicine and German technology, actually. So what are you seeing on the screen is derived from German technology. The first one is the supercritical extraction, where they efficiently and cleanly separate and extract from the components while maintaining up to 99% of its biological activity. So, ibig sabihin, because of this method of extraction, napapanatiling fresh yung ingredients. Okay? So, we offer the most freshest ingredients in the whole world. So, parang pumitas ka ng mansanas, kinain mo, ganun po siya ka-fresh when you take that product. Gusto nyo ba yon? Hindi siya pressure, hindi gumamit ng heat, ng any pressure. So, supercritical extraction. Ayan. Na-distract ako yung Ate Ethel. Ate Ethel, naka-open yung video mo. Okay, baka hindi ka aware. Okay, ayan. Anyway, the second technology is the freeze drying technology. Okay? Ano naman ito? So, the main ingredient of our product, oral stem cell, is the placenta. And also, from the antler of a deer in New Zealand. All right? So, freeze drying technology, live cells can be preserved and maintained bioactive for 3 to 4 years. So, because of this technology. So, kapag may nanganak na deer, yung product natin is manufactured and is being made, processed in New Zealand. So, pag may nanganak na deer sa farm in New Zealand, they will just harvest the placenta. They will put inside this freeze drying technology. All right? The third one is the nitrogen filled technology. Ibig sabihin, there is a nitrogen gas or cold gas inside the capsule. Okay? Bakit kailangan may nitrogen? They omitted the oxygen kasi any presence of oxygen, nagkakaroon siya ng oxidation process or pagkabulok, no? And we are talking about live cell and fresh ingredient. So, attracted ang bacteria dyan. So, with the presence of nitrogen, no, ito na yung pinaka-preservative, na preserve yung atmosphere inside the capsule. So, parang may maliliit na freezer inside the capsule. Ganun lang, no? Na-imagine nyo ba yon na yung product, hindi mo na kailangan ilagay sa refrigerator. Alright? So, room temperature lang, okay na siya. Basta walang uh, direct heat and sunlight. Okay? Now, the fourth one is the enteric-coated. Itong parang may mga stomach, intestine, no? Bakit yan yung nasa picture na yan? Because of the enteric-coated, no, yung capsule, it can withstand stomach acidity. No, it is designed to be dissolved in our small intestine, maximizing the absorption. We are talking about live stem cell here. So, yung live stem cell, nilagay siya sa capsule. Pag wala siyang special coating, pag inom mo, sa stomach pa lang po, patay na po yung live stem cell and other ingredients na fresh na sinasabi ko. Tama ba? And because of that special coating, ibabypass niya lang yung stomach. Okay? Kaya, kailangan yung inumin yun 30 minutes bago kumain. Empty stomach dapat. Okay? Now, the fourth technology is the emulsification technology. Ano ibig sabihin yan? It allows larger molecules to be dissolved, ay to be absorbed by the bile chylomicron pathway. Yan. So, ibig sabihin, nagiging nano-size, no? Nano-size yung ingredients ng capsule. It can penetrate up to the smallest or tiniest veins inside your brain and the back of your eyes, at the back of your eyes or any part of our body, yung maliliit na veins na kailangan ng stem cell. Alright? And then, Biosoft gel technology ensures that the effective ingredients dissolve rapidly in the small intestine, boosting the absorption rate of the bioactive nutrients. So, meaning to say, kapag na-sense na ng capsule, kasi smart yung ating technology, smart yung capsule natin. Pag na-sense niya na yung environment niya is alkaline, dun na siya magbo-burst. Alright? So this six technology, supercritical extraction, freeze drying, nitrogen filled, enteric-coated, emulsification, and Biosoft gel is present with our product, which is Portier, meaning ng Portier is purity of a deer, which is already in 7th edition. Okay? So we are already in 7th edition. Now, bakit ba deer, Miss Van, ang ginamit nyo? Baka naman magkaroon tayo ng sungay niyan. Meron ba kayong no? Iniisip na gano'n, shucks, bakit galing sa deer? Baka magkaroon ako ng buntot niyan o baka mami pag uminom ako, tatakbo-takbo na ako. Tama ba? Eh, di ba makain nga tayo ng pork eh. Di ba? Have you not asked, ba't tayo kumakain ng pork? Eh, di ba hindi maganda sa health yun? Di ba mataas ang cholesterol nun? Pero kumakain tayong crispy pata, di ba? Liempo. Tama ba? Even baka. Steak. Sarap kaya ng steak. Tama ba? Pero dear, no, dear, alam nyo ba in Chinese medicine, sabi ko kasi 'di ba, this is a fusion or combination of Chinese medicine and German technology. Our CEO is Mr. Lim Bunhong. Kaya from ano po siya, Singapore. He is a Singaporean Chinese and our headquarters is located in Singapore. So galing kami nung October 5 doon, no? October 6 actually sa Bedok galing kami doon sa headquarters. And ang paniniwala ng mga Chinese, you could ask someone kung may kakilala po kayong mga Chinese, mga friend nyo, alright? You can ask them if how they regard, no? Uh, a deer, no? Kasi they honored with the name of divine beast. Kasi from antler up to its tail, meron siyang medicinal purpose. Ginagamit talaga siya worldwide into medicinal, no? Kaya if we have medicinal plants, we have also medicinal animal, which is deer. And deer, it is the cleanest mammal in the world. And considering that our product is being made and manufactured in a pollution-free country, ladies and gentlemen, New Zealand lang naman. So, walang foot and mouth disease dyan, kung ano man dyan. Okay? So, sobrang clean. Sobrang clean po ng deer. Okay? So, dun sa portier, yung source ng stem cell natin is from the placenta. Walang hinaharm na deer sa placenta. Pag nanganak lang yung mommy deer, si female doe, no, kinukuha lang yung pagkapanganak yung placenta, they will process it, kukunin yung stem cell, then if you freeze dry and all. Then also the velvet, yung velvet, ito yung pinakatip ng antler na sungay niya, yung pinakatip lang. Kasi po, they discovered pala na yung antler, no, antler ng deer, comparing to other mammals, continuous siyang nagre-regenerate. Lalo pag pinuputol, no? Pag pinuputol siya, kasi there is a blood supply pala doon. Yung blood supply na yon, yun yung stem cell. So, yun yung kinukuha, ina-extract, nilagay po dun sa capsule. So, per capsule, meron tayong 150 milligram na live stem cell. Okay? So, kapag magpapa-inject ka ng 150 milligram sa St. Luke's ngayon, no, it will cost you around more than 100,000. Ang source is ikaw, ilalay po kanila, they will get the fat cells, ipaprocess nila, inject back sa'yo. Then magbabayad ka more than 150,000. 150 milligram of stem cell. Pero ladies and gentlemen, sa isang capsule ng Portier, we have worth 100,000 na live stem cell. So sobrang mura. This is the most affordable, no, stem cell therapy in the world. Hindi lang po sa Pilipinas, but in the world. Alright? More of it. Now, ito yung evolution of our product, the development of our product from the first edition, 2008, when it was launched. Alam nyo ba that Mr. Limbonhong started with 38, if I'm not mistaken, 38 samples of bottles noong 2008. And then, in that year, they sold 5,000 bottles. So, because of it, nakapag-invest sila in research and then they discovered mga mas additional ingredients that could improve, no, yung ating first edition. Kaya, wait lang, yun. Kaya, from the first edition ng 2008, 5,000 bottles, until 2018, we had already the 6th edition, pero 26 million bottles sold already. And this time, we have, I think, noong June 2023 yung na-launch in Taiwan. Nandun po kami nung ni-launch. And yung 7th edition, when it was launched, June of 2023, after 6 months it was launched, we already reached yung 26 million bottles. That was 2 years ago. Ngayon, sobrang ano na, no? Um, kumbaga, the efficacy of the product is no longer a question. Yan. Okay? Now, from the 7th edition, sa 7th edition natin, ito na yung mga improvement na ginawa ng Riway. We have the 5 clinical, no? Proven patented ingredients. So very powerful yung word na proven patented ingredients. Alam nyo ba that para ma-approve ka ng patent right, kailangan mo ng clinical study. So we have that. Pero if you will ask me a copy, wala po tayong copy niyan. Pwede tayong pumunta ng New Zealand doon sa manufacturing plant. So pwede tayong mag-ask. Pero the reason why no nagkaroon ng talagang idea no si Mr. Lim Boon Hong to really have this patent kasi Portier brand of stem cell has already uh, gained, kumbaga parang na-prove niya na, no? Na-prove niya na talaga that is really effective. And kung maganda yung product, 100% or 200% maraming gagaya. Would you agree? Can I have a heart if you would agree? Na pag maganda yung product, maganda yung business, maganda yung produkto, maraming gagaya. Tama ba? Magtayo ka nga lang ngayon ng tindahan eh. May sari-sari store ka ngayon. After 2 weeks, yung kabilang kanto magtatayo na rin. Tama ba? Kasi nakakita sila ng opportunity. Ganon din with here in Riway. So if you will search online, no, marami kang makikitang iba-ibang pangalan dyan, iba-ibang brand ng stem cell. Okay? Marami kang makikitang stem cell dyan. Alright? Ang dami. But the question is, legit ba yun? Okay? Now, with the 7th edition, itong 5 patented ingredients na to, only Riway has the right to use this. The first one is the cervicenta. Cervicenta is stem cell coming from the female deer dun po sa placenta. Meron siyang 100 milligram no, per capsule. We have also velvicenta, which is the stem cell na galing naman sa deer antler tip. Okay? Which contains, sabi niya, which contain the most stem cells. And then there is, no, meron silang ginawang, parang meron silang ginawang experiment in a laboratory na pinag-combine nila yung 2 to 3 slices ng prize deer antler tip, sobrang mahal kasi niyan, sa placenta, in a laboratory setup, it can form and it can duplicate a small deer in a clinical lab. Meaning, it is really best in regeneration, regenerating. Eh, yan yung kailangan ng katawan natin eh. Regeneration. Kailangan ng continuous regeneration. Kailangan ng continuous yung pag-produce natin sa katawan ng young cells. Alright? Now, we have also nginsen or enginsen or nginsen. Nginsen, no? This is a kind of ginseng that is planted, that are planted in New Zealand. And alam nyo ba na Riway waited for 10 years bago siya i-harvest. No, ganun po, no? So, ibig sabihin, nung 2023, 2013 pa lang nakatanim na si, or baka 2010, 2011, nakatanim na po si Nginzen sa volcanic soil in New Zealand because they discovered na yung ginseng pala, pag tinanim siya sa volcanic soil, nagiging 150 times more effective siya. Hindi 2 times, hindi 3 times, hindi 10 times, but 150 times more effective compared to others variant ng ginseng in Korea, in Japan, in China. Okay? And alam ko, ginseng, alam nyo na to, no? Sabi nila, pampabuhay daw yan. Okay? Lahat daw nung patay sa katawan natin nabubuhay. Actually, it can also, there's study na it can also prevent tumor, no? And it is really high in anti-inflammatory, actually. And many, many other benefits. And then we have also Axertone. Axertone, this is an antler lingshi that is prized possession among lingshi. Okay? Lingshi, this is a kind of mushroom, no, which contains the most um, triterpeno, triterpenoids. Ayan, triterpenoids and polysaccharides. Ayan, medyo ano na to, no, medical term na siya. Pero it was clinically proven to prevent cardiovascular diseases. Okay? And mataas yung anti-aging niya. So kung yung cervicenta and velvicenta, regeneration niyan, ibig sabihin, gagawin niyang bata yung cells natin from head to toe, Pag naging bata na yon, ang trabaho ni Axertone, siya yung tagabantay, no, para yung mga cells na nabago na, hindi siya mabilis mag-age. Ibig sabihin, yung mga free radicals that causes it to age na mabilis, siya yung sasangga. Okay? Na-imagine nyo ba yon? Si Axerton, taga-sangga. Okay? Yan po siya. Nucleoclavem, this is a very, very important ingredients na alam nyo ba that Riwi is the first company na nakadiscover na there is a nucleoclavem in a white strawberry. So, galing po to sa white strawberry in Japan. And ang dami niyang benefits. Pero i-highlight ko lang yung dalawa. Very high siya sa anti-inflammatory and it can activate many capabilities in our body. Ibig sabihin, para siyang susi na i-activate niya yung katawan mo to function at its best. Kasi for how many years nasana yung katawan mo, yung sistema ng katawan mo na mag-function ng ganun lang. So siya, gigisingin niya yung bawat system inside your body to function at its best. Ganun yung gagawin niya. So isa rito, ang sinasabi rito, increase immunity, example lang yon, and also the capacity of our body to kill cancer cells and even lower cancer genes, no? Very smart ingredient yan. 5 pa lang yan, okay? This is the 5 patented, clinically proven patented ingredients of 7th edition. Now we have here, no? Yung sinasabi na unique and integrated formulation na tayo. Perfect formulation na for me. We have Fucoidan. Fucoidan, this is brown seaweed, polyphenol, lycopene, marine collagen, evening primrose oil, squalene, avocado oil, borajol, and aloe vera. These are all very good ingredients, ladies and gentlemen. Kumbaga, lahat na ng matitindi, no? Na natural ingredients pinagsama-sama na po ni Riway. This serves as food also of our body. Okay? So, yung stem cell, it will do its repair inside our body. And then, ito naman po, it will serve as food of the stem cell when it gets inside our body para magawa niya yung kailangan niyang gawin. At the same time, nourishment din ng katawan natin. So, ladies and gentlemen, wala po kayong nakikitang wala po kayong nakikitang any chemicals, no? These are all food. Kaya kung tatanungin niyo ako or sasabihin niyo sa akin, Miss Van, tatanong ko muna sa doktor ko kung pwede akong minom ng portir. Okay, I'll give you a scenario, ladies and gentlemen. Nagpunta ka sa doktor, nagpa-laboratory ka, and then nakita ng doktor mo, mataas ang cholesterol mo. Okay? Ngayon, ang sabi ng doktor, tita, tito, mataas ang cholesterol mo, mataas ang sugar mo. So ngayon, magbawas tayo ng kanin, yung matatamis, magbawas tayo ng karne, so gulay at isda ka lang muna ang diet mo hanggang mapababa natin, okay? So after 1 month, bumalik ka sa akin, let's do the laboratory. So sige, sunod ka naman. Ngayon, after 2 weeks, may nag-invite sa'yo. Meron palang reunion, yung friend mo na galing ibang bansa. Okay, nagpa-reunion siya. So, nagpunta ka sa bahay nila, then naamoy mo yung lechon, ang sarap, ang lutong, tama ba? Sarap. 'Di ba? Ang lutong ng balat. Tanong ko sa iyo, bawal sa iyo 'yun. Tatawagan mo pa ba ang doktor? Dok, andito ako sa reunion eh. Pwede ba ako uminom ng kumain ng lechon, konti lang? Magpapaalam ka pa ba? Siyempre, technically hindi na, 'di ba? So anong point ko? At the end of the day, tayo pa rin naman yung masusunod, no? Kung paano natin alagaan yung sarili natin. So what I'm pointing out right now, as you can see, no, yung ingredients ng portier natin, these are all natural ingredients. This is designed to repair and reverse the aging process of our body. And kahit baby, pwede pong mag-take niyan. Kasi yung mga anak ko, lalo na yung bunso, when he was 4 months old, pinapainom ko po siya ng portir to boost yung immunity niya. Okay? Now, moving forward, why do we take supplement? We have a lot of reason. 2, 4, 6, 8, tama ba? 2, 4, 6, 8 reasons. Any food supplement in the market, kahit ano pong brand yan, kaya pong mag-supplement, mag-prevent, mag-recover, mag-detox, at mag-lower the 3 high sa atin. Kahit anong food supplement yan. But not repair, protect, and regenerate. Because only live stem cell can do that inside our body. And good news, hindi lang po stem cell yung laman niya, but we have added active ingredients. Kaya Portier can fulfill all these health supplement needs inside your body. Hindi mo na kailangan ng isa pang mata, pang heart, pang ganito, pang ganyan. Isa na lang, isang capsule lang iinumin nyo po. Alright? So, mas makakatipid ka. Okay, isa lang po yung iinumin nyo, nandyan na po ang kailangan natin. So, paano siya inumin? This is continuous therapy nga po siya, minimum 6 months. Ba't nagkaroon ng sulat yung aking screen? So, we have 6 months therapy. Kung ang yung dosage na to, this is only for prevention. Ibig sabihin wala ka pa talagang condition, medical problem, or hindi ka pa nagtitake ng maintenance. Alright? In your first month, 2 sa umaga, 2 sa gabi. First month yon, minimum, 30 minutes before meal. So, second month, isa na lang sa umaga, isa sa gabi hanggang 6 months. Okay, ulitin ko po ha, this dosage is para po sa mga wala pang sakit. So, Miss Van, pwede palang uminom kahit walang sakit? Oo naman, prevention is better than cure. Prevention is cheaper kaysa magpa-hospital ka pa. Tama ba? So, this is for reverse aging. Pero kung meron ka ng medical condition, 6 months is not enough. Okay? And this dosage is not enough as well. Okay? Now, this is our product once again, Portier, which is already in 7th edition. How much po siya? It is 26,500 per bottle, good for 15 days. Ha, shucks, ang mahal naman yan, 26,000 per bottle. Kung narinig niyo po yung sinabi ko kanina na per capsule, meron tayong 150 mg na live stem cell. We are talking about live stem cell here, ladies and gentlemen. This is worth more than 100,000 worth of live stem cell per capsule. Ang mura po niya. Sabi ko nga po masyadong mababa yung price niya per bottle, 26.5 if we are talking about live stem cell. Pero, if you will get the 6 months therapy, continuous siya, 170,000 na lang siya, you will get an outright savings of 15,500